Are you curious about artificial intelligence but don't know how to code? You're not alone. And the good news is you don't need to be a programmer to understand and use AI. In this video, I'll walk you through a complete 6-week learning roadmap designed specifically for non-coders. You'll explore powerful tools, build real projects, and gain confidence in navigating the world of AI. No technical background required. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence is transforming the world, and you don't need to be a programmer to get involved. With today's no-code tools, anyone can learn, explore, and even build with AI. Here's a complete 6-week step-by-step learning path to help you master AI without writing a single line of code. In week 1, you'll build your foundation. You'll learn what AI is, how it works, and why it actually matters. You'll understand the difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. You'll also explore some key terms like algorithms, data, training, and inference. And by the way, you can use beginner-friendly courses like AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng on Coursera and Elements of AI. By the end of this week, you'll understand the language of AI and how it's shaping industries today. In week 2, you'll dive into the world of generative AI. You'll use ChatGPT to generate ideas, write scripts, summarize articles, or, draft emails. You can create stunning images with DALL-E or Mid-Journey just by describing what you want to see. You'll also explore AI video tools like Runway ML or Pika to turn text prompts into visuals. And finally, try out AI-powered presentation tools like Tome or Gamma to create slides in seconds. This week is all about creativity and honestly seeing firsthand what AI can generate for you. In week 3, you'll get hands-on by building simple AI models. Use Google's Teachable Machine to train an image or sound classifier, no code required. Go ahead and experiment with Lobe.ai to classify objects in photos, like plants, hand gestures, or just everyday items. You'll see how models are trained and, what makes them work. By the end of this week, you'll have built your very own custom AI model. So, week 4 is Project Week. This is where you get to choose a project that really excites you. You might create a personal AI assistant using ChatGPT and Zapier, or perhaps you'll use Copy.ai to generate product descriptions for an online shop. You could even make a YouTube video using a script from ChatGPT, a voice from 11 Labs, and visuals with Runway. And of course, you can use no-code automation platforms like Make.com or Airtable to connect your tools together. By the end of this week, you'll walk away with a real AI-powered product that you can actually share with others. In week 5, you'll shift gears and learn about AI ethics. You'll get to understand what AI bias means, how misinformation can spread, and why transparency is so important. We'll also explore real-world challenges like deepfakes, fairness, and accountability in algorithms. It's essential, to learn how to use AI responsibly and ethically. This knowledge prepares you to lead with awareness in any AI project. Week 6 is all about pulling it all together. Document your projects, take screenshots, create short videos, or even write a simple explanation. Share your work on platforms like LinkedIn, Medium, or YouTube to start building your AI portfolio. And don't forget to subscribe to newsletters like the Rundown AI or Ben's Bytes so you can stay updated. Finally, join AI communities to connect, learn, and grow with others. From here, you can go further, build your own AI tools, become a prompt engineer, or lead AI projects. You've just seen how easy and exciting it is to start your AI journey without writing a single line of code. With the tools and steps we've covered, you can explore AI, create real-world projects, and even build a portfolio to share your work. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what AI tools you're most excited to try or what you want to learn next. Your journey into AI is just beginning, and the possibilities are endless.